So a Jamaican brother get arrested and charged for what them call unlawful intercourse with a minor. The brother are 19, the girl 14. I saw you want to have sex, bad brother. I saw you short of sex. That you all do it with pitney. Man. Look how much big woman out there where you can approach to. Look pan all some 18, 19, 20 year old where you can walk to. My youth, you are 19, you can all go talk to some 30, 40 year old woman. What? A young girl you like so?
Boy, unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.
What wanna get me opinionated peeps? Hope everybody is doing well. So people, me have a thing we want to talk about right now. A Jamaican brother was arrested and charged in the Bahamas. Yes, again, another one. But I wanna get charged for what them call unlawful intercourse with a minor. Now, the brother, as me said before, him a 19 and the girl are 14. Now this happened sometime in a May. Get arrested, then bring him go to court Friday gone, right? When him go to court, the judge put off the case until November. All know the brother in a jail because guess what? The judge deny bail. Now them saying can apply to the Supreme Court to get bail, but him better hope him have a good lawyer because if him not have a good lawyer, we gonna apply to the Supreme Court. And if him not have a good lawyer upon the case, him could apply all him want. Supreme Court might just deny the bail same way. Now don't get me wrong, you know, me know say you have some young girls with big in a body and look like a woman, you know. But at the same time, you have some brother when no say some girl a pitney and go after them same way just because them have little lump on them chest and them a say yo a young girl me want because them want virgin oil. And I'm not saying that is the case with that brother here. No, that is not what I'm saying. But what I am saying is far too much people, too much man I get charged for having sex with pitney we cannot consent to having sex. Who do get to me I say? Now my opinion on this is this. My youth, if you didn't know say the little girl underage, if you didn't know say she are 14, if you didn't know say she a minor, and you go the same way, then you deserve to get charged. You deserve to spend some time in a jail. Your name deserve to go in the sex offenders registry. I mean, I talk about just overseas, I talk about in a Jamaica too. Everybody need to know say you're a sex offender. You understand? I say that with no apology. Me not put my mouth ground and talk because at the end of the day, me have a daughter too, and me wouldn't like to know say you have a predator out there where I target my little daughter when she reach all 14, 15. You understand what I say? That age, my daughter supposed to focus on school, not a focus on open up legs. No, because you have some predator out there like Uno. But watch on man viewers, done with that one, you gone. But more want your views on this. More you talk to me down in the comment section because me give my opinion, more want hear your one. What you think about this whole situation? You know of any sex offenders and you agree say if you know any sex offenders, them name for go in at the registry. No, not everybody in a Jamaica supposed to know who sex offenders are, right? Because that's the way it is in the US, you know. When you're a sex offender, your name make the sex offenders registry and everybody knows say, yo, you are a sex offender. So watch out, man. Talk to me down in the comment section as me say, more want to hear your opinion on this because I always tell you, your opinion matters, right? If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so once you upload a video, you will get notified. Watch out, man. God, my God.
Boy, unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.